what made you stand out, or what do you think it attributes to your success?
Okay. I think the key thing is that there are three main factors. The first factor is I tell myself that actually the more I know, the more I don't know. So the day that I think I know is the day I actually don't know. So the more I acquire and read certain knowledge, I say, oh, there's more to actually understand about that particular topic. So I'm very hungry to learn. I read a lot. I actually associate myself to actually people who are very good in the field that they are in. I constantly ask questions. I don't assume. Okay, I do my best to actually keep open mind. As much as I'm a human being, I do judge sometimes. But I also make sure that when I make a so-called learning experience, I ask myself, what do I learn from this experience, and correct very quickly and apply it the next time. The second thing is very interesting, is patience. I think in investing, a lot of people actually are very impatient because we are living in actually what we call a digitized age, and also an instant gratification age. So the moment we do something, we want a result instantly. But investment doesn't happen that way, right? So Buffett actually have a saying, say, if you want a baby straight away, you still take about 10 months, because things take time to actually develop. So same for investment. So I'm very patient to let my investment actually pan out. I give example. I invested in this particular company in Singapore, which I will cover also in my program. It's a fantastic business model. It's a market leader, no debt, okay, and good cash flow. I actually invested this company for 8 years, and it's given me a return of up to this point about close to 400%. So I don't need to look at chart. I don't need to worry about the news or this thing. I just need to make sure that the fundamentals still stay intact, and I constantly actually just collect dividends itself. And the dividend is very, very attractive. So, and the third thing is being frugal. Yeah, frugal. I think when I first started, I didn't spend money. In fact, I didn't spend any money in luxury item. So I buy a second-hand bicycle to cycle to work. I pack my own breakfast and lunch. So using very small resources to invest in good company, compound it over time. Yeah, I think that's important.